Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can download Project Playtime on your mobile device. So first, if you're using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get on it. First, what you'll need to do in order to download Project Playtime on your device is to simply tap on to your Play Store if you're using an Android, and if you're using an iOS device, go to your App Store. So after doing so, tap onto the search button and then just type in Project Playtime right here and just tap onto the search. And after doing so, as you can see here on my screen, there are different versions of Project Playtime that is available for me to download in my Play Store. So if I want to download this Project Playtime Phase 2 early access, I can do so by simply tap onto the installing button right there. So you can go ahead and select any version that you have on your device. So you can go ahead and tap onto Project Playtime Survive Game, whatever you like. So that is the only way, or this is the only way that I know how you can download and play Project Playtime on your mobile. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.